Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to use policy events so that you never miss an important policy milestone again. NIC lets you monitor policy anniversaries, maturity dates, and even set reminders for client meetings, ensuring that you stay engaged and proactive. To start, navigate to a policy owner profile screen of your choosing, where you could see a button labeled Add Policy Event. When you click on this button, you will be able to send a notification to send to you either on a specific date on the calendar, or you can enter an amount of days before an upcoming policy anniversary. Once you've entered in the required information, click Create, and your notification will be set successfully. After setting the policy event notification on an individual policy, you can view the notification that has been set by clicking on the View Details button, then scrolling down to the Pending Notifications section, where you'll be able to see the list of your policy event notifications set for this client, including the one that you've just created. You'll also be able to click on an Actions button to either view, edit, or delete the notification if you wish. When the notification is triggered, the user will receive an email notification alerting them about the event. And when they log into the platform, they will receive an in-app notification about the event as well when they click on the bell icon at the top right-hand corner. This will show all of the details of the notification for the given policy. The change will also be documented in your notifications dashboard, which you can get to by clicking on the View All button on the notifications window. This is where you can get a view of all of your policy event, policy watch, premium tracker notifications, and plenty more as well. Remember that you can also add policy event notifications to an entire list of policies, so you can have these types of events for a group of policies. Here's an example of how valuable setting policy event notifications can be. Say you want to be notified about the policy anniversary for all of your universal life policies. This will allow you to contact your client in advance of the anniversary to set up their review. To begin setting this notification, the list will need to be created first. Navigate to the Life Policies tab on the left-hand navigation, then click on the plus button next to the product filter. Select your universal life policies. Finally, click on this checkbox to select all records. Make sure to select this underlined message to make sure all records truly get selected. Then click on the Add to List button. Make sure to give the list a name as well as a description so that you remember why you created this list if you ever need to return to it later. Once you're finished, click Proceed, and your list will be created. Next, go to the List screen, where for your list that has just been created, navigate to the Actions button on the right-hand side, and select Add Policy Event. In the Notify Me in text box, enter in any number of days in advance of each policy anniversary if you wish. Click Create, and now you will be notified via email and through an in-app notification 60 days before any of those universal life policies are approaching their anniversary, so that you can be proactive and get in front of your client. Overall, policy events in NIC let you track key milestones and set reminders for individual policies or entire lists, helping you stay proactive and engage with your clients. Thanks for being a NIC partner. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.